Here,
I just got back in the animal company.
Why?
What?
Well, you guys literally just left me. Can you guys come back, please?
Oh crap, I'm getting pulled in. Oh no!
Bro, you guys just left me.
Whoa!
Bro, please come back.
What the heck? Wait, can I swim in this? Oh yeah, there's some.
Can you guys please come back, bro? Please.
Oh, okay. How am I supposed to process this? What the heck is happening? No! What? Absolute cinema! Can I have a grappler?
I want the teleport gun. If someone to give me a teleporter gun, I lost mine.
Please give me a
And my ammo.
Please, son. Don't need a teleporter gun.
R.I.P.
Hey,
Old Animal Company.
Whoa, I need that teleporter
shoot,
gun.
Can I
I
get a
don't
teleporter
even
gun?
have one. Well, I have a teleporter gun.
Man, I'm gonna have to wall run. How do I wall
Help
run
me.
an animal?
Help me.
No,
I don't
just
know
get a
how I got in
rocket.
this position. Can someone please help me? I don't know how I got in this position.
Yo.
My head!
Okay, well that didn't work.
Well, I need a teleporter
Oh
gun.
man, it despawned.
That was easy. Now how do y'all want me to do it again?
Oh, I need a teleporter gun.
Wait, is this for like mining? A drill?
Guys, I'm gonna
Is this-
try to go possessed. I'm gonna ask the devil if I can go possessed.
Okay, give me a sec. Give me a sec.
Let me go
Let me go get a flashlight.
Hello. Welcome to my world. Ah, frick, I'm stuck. Guys, I'm stuck! Help me, I'm stuck! Help me, I'm stuck! Guys, help, I'm stuck!
What is this? Whoa. This is sick. Wait. Oh. I can't reach.
Well, there's a secret glitch where if you flip your head up, you should get a secret.
This is so cool. Let me grab that.
Oh, flip my head!
Nice, a research point. Let's go.
Bro, I ain't coming.
That's a mimic. Oh. Oh, you can finally hurt yourself with weapons? That's sick.
Oh my god, bro. So, if anybody want to take a warm bath?
Well, okay, so, yeah, this is sick. I'm gonna go take a look in the water.
Okay, okay.
I'm
Blue,
going
blue. Where's blue? Where's the other blue? Where's the other blue?
I don't know.
Hey, yo, bro. You know how people say, yo, hey, yo, bro. You know how people say if you flip your headset up really fast, you should get a secret?
He's making you flip off your headset. Don't do it.
Alright, I was about to
guys,
do it for you.
the cheese
I was
is
about
still
to.
here. The
I was
cheese
just
is
about
still
to do
here.
it for
Where's
you
the
just to
cheese?
show you that
Where
it's
are you
fake.
at?
Hey,
Come
bro,
here.
can
Spawned
I
it.
show you a fake secret? People say to flip your headset up.
I'm gonna go check this out. So there's water now. It's is this?
And Jimmy John.
Oh,
Yo, what's up,
that's
cuz?
lava.
God, there's something. Bro, what are you supposed to do? Where are you guys? Coxboy 13. Oh my god, my headset. My god, my headset. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I'm not ready.
Oh my god, this is a lot of climbing.
Mr.
Yo.
Jimmy John.
Hi,
Mr. Jimmy John. I know, Mr. Jimmy John. What?
I'm not Jimmy John.
Okay, Jimmy John.
I'm trying to see what's in
Billy.
here.
Your name is Billy John then.
Is this a new map?
Yeah, it is. It is.
What's in here?
I went to the end once.
I don't have any gear. I just want to check it out. See
Oh, hi there.
what it is. Turn down my volume.
This is like really scary.
Is it like scary or like what is it?
Yeah, there's like really creepy new monsters, and it's super scary.
Oh. This is sick, man. Huh. Did they have fishing at the one that was so fish?
Don't get scared. I'm with you. Don't worry. You're going to be okay. Don't worry. Just look at him. Just look at him. Go look at him. Okay? Bro, keep on looking at him. Keep
Hey
on
guys,
looking
what's
at him.
up? My name is.
Keep on looking at him.
Oh,
There we go. See? We just need to keep on doing that. Okay? Now we gotta fast.
like that. Please get me out of here. I hate this. I hate this. I hate this. Why is Animal Company scary now? What the flippity flop? Why? Why? I'm officially afraid of Animal Company now.
Why? Dude,
Do not go to the new map. Just don't go to the new map.
Jordy's not that scary.
No, don't go to the new map.
Terrifying.
Don't do it.
Don't
do it.
There's like an
Animal
alien
Company.
like creature.